Hyphenation is a useful formatting feature that helps improve the appearance of text by reducing large gaps between words, especially when working with justified paragraphs. To begin, you first need to decide where you want hyphenation to apply. You can select a single paragraph or apply it to the entire document. If you want to target everything at once, simply select all the text before continuing. Once your text is selected, move to the Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, locate the hyphenation option and open the drop-down menu. Choosing Automatic allows Word to insert hyphens automatically based on the language settings of your document. This helps balance spacing across lines and improves readability. Keep in mind that when your text is justified, Word may only hyphenate certain paragraphs. The program decides where hyphenation is needed and does not apply it uniformly to every line. If you want more control, select Manual from the Hyphenation menu. Word will scan the document and look for words that may need hyphenation. When a possible break is found, it highlights the suggested hyphenation point and displays a dialog box. Here, Word shows where it recommends placing the hyphen according to the document language. You can accept the suggestion or decline it if you prefer the word to remain unbroken. This option is helpful when working with technical terms or specific wording that needs careful formatting. Hyphenation can also be turned off for specific words or paragraphs. To do this, select the text, return to the Hyphenation menu and choose None. This ensures that the selected content remains unchanged even if hyphenation is applied elsewhere. For more advanced control, open hyphenation options from the same menu. These settings allow you to choose whether words are hyphenated automatically, include words written in capital letters, and limit how many consecutive lines end with a hyphen. In older compatibility documents, you may also see an option to adjust the spacing between words and the right margin, though this is not necessary for modern Word files. Another way to manage hyphenation is through the Paragraph dialog box. By accessing the Line and Page Breaks tab, you can enable or disable hyphenation for selected text. If hyphenation is not working, this setting may be preventing it. Once adjusted, previously selected hyphenation settings will apply correctly, and that's it. You now know how to use hyphenation in MS Word 365 to create cleaner, more professional-looking documents.